Use groups to create collaborative work areas for learners, and sections to divide your class list into sections that display learning materials and users only to those enrolled in the section. This tutorial differentiates groups from sections. Use groups to create group work areas for learners. From the Manage Groups page, you can create categories which are subdivided into groups of learners. You can use group categories to organize users' work on presentations and assignments, or create special work areas for users with different learning needs. Learners can belong to multiple categories and groups within the same course. For example, a learner can simultaneously belong to a group in the Seminar Group Presentation category and the Moon Discussion category. Each group can have its own assignment submission folder, discussion forum, or locker area to work in. You can grade items by group members individually or as a team. Use sections to divide your class into sections that help manage enrollments. Sections make it easier to organize assistants, learners, assignments, and grades because users only see learning materials and other users from their own section. When you set up the section, you can select the enrollment type, number of users and/or sections, and how the users are enrolled. Additionally, you can set up discussion areas that are exclusive to each section. You can further customize the sections by modifying user enrollment or adding or deleting the sections as necessary. Use groups to create collaborative work areas for learners, and sections to divide your class list into sections that display learning materials and users only to those enrolled in the section.